Alright, what is up guys? I'm from Brainy-Bits.com, and if you saw my last video, I showed you how I made this retro-reflective green screen that doesn't need any lighting. If you haven't seen it, you can check it out right here. And when I posted it on YouTube, somebody commented, what would happen if you wore white clothes? And what might happen is that the LEDs that are lighting up the screen behind me would reflect back on the white shirt, make it kind of green and make it very hard to key out in post. At the time I didn't know the answer, so that's why we're here today. We're going to test that out. Before we get to that, I want to show you I did a little modification to the project. I added an RF remote to actually change the colors, adjust the brightness of the LEDs, and also turn it off completely. So instead of having a long wire going to the Uno, I'm using this little simple 350, I believe 350 megahertz little module. I did a video on this before. You can check it out right here on how to use these. These are very easy to use. There's no coding involved. It just puts one of these pins high or low when you press the button, and the Uno can detect that. So let's say I press the A button, it would put the A pin, which I believe is this one right here, the third one, high, and then I could detect that and do an action. So these are really cool to do if you want to remote control something not too far away. I mean, the range on these, I'm not sure, but probably up to 50 feet, something like that, but good enough for what I wanted to do. Alright, so I plugged in the Uno, it's ready to go. The LED, the LED ring around the camera is not on right now. I'm going to turn it on using the remote. Let me show you the LED ring. There it is. It's off right now. So I'm going to hit the D button to turn it on. And there we go, we're green. Let me show you the LED ring. And I'm going to press the D button again to turn it off. And there you go, it's off. So let me bring it back on. Let me go back to me. The A button and the B button are used to adjust the brightness of the LEDs. So let me press the B to go down. And there we go. Now we're totally off. I'm going to go back up all the way. There we go. Let me bring it down a little bit more. There we go. Now I'm pressing the C button to change the color. Now we're blue screen. And one more time, red screen. Can't really use that because I have red on my shirt. So let me go back to green. Let me turn them off. And there we go. Let me show you the LED ring. Alright, so now I'm going to try to key out the green screen, see if it affects my shirt. When I look at the camera, I don't really see a reflection on my shirt when I turn it on and off. It seems to stay white. So I think it should work properly. The thing is, the fall off of the light from the LEDs is very short. So as the light goes away from the LEDs, it doesn't really reflect much. But on this material it does, because it's made for that. So I think that will work fine. I'll try the blue screen. And I'll try to key that out also in blue to see if it's better. Erase go down a little bit. There we go, like this. So with the remote controls, very cool. I can control everything. Like if I go up too much, you'll see I have like a big halo around me right here. So if I bring it down, I can adjust it so the halo effect is minimized. So very practical. Alright, so there you go guys. Hopefully I'm keying out this thing properly. So even with a white shirt, it is working. I invite you guys to check out my website. I made a new tutorial page on if you want to integrate these little remotes in your project, especially this one. And these are easy to find. You can find them on eBay. I think Amazon has them also. So check out my webpage. You'll have all the information there as well. So that'll do it for today, guys. I have another project that I finished. I'm going to show you that very shortly. So hopefully you guys can come back for that. And as always, my name is Ivan, and I hope to catch you guys real soon. Take care.